Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve a question of Codechef contest starters 119, and the question is another code string. So first let's read the question statement. So question states that a string is called beautiful if all of its characters are same. Okay. For example, A, B, 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 A are beautiful while A, B and T R Y are not. Okay. You are given a string S of length n consisting of lowercase English letters. You are also given Q updates to be performed on S. Each update consists of a single character that must be appended to S. So the length of S increased by 1. Okay. After each update and also before any updates are performed, find the length of the longest beautiful substring of S. Okay. So basically, the question says that we have a string S, and first we have to find the longest beautiful substring, and beautiful string is the all the characters of that string have to be same. Okay, so we found the longest beautiful substring in that string and print the length of that longest beautiful substring. Then append a character which is given. Then we find the longest beautiful substring and print it. And then doing some update. Okay, so what is update? So we have total number of few characters. So in first update, we have to append this C at the end of this string. In second update, we have to append this C at the end of this string. In third update, we have to append this C in the last of this string. And at the fourth update, in the fourth update, we have to append this character D, append uh, to the last of this string. Okay, so let's understand it with a example. Okay, so let's take one example. This A N N N C C, which is N equal to 6. Okay, and Q is equal to 4, and this Q are C, 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 D. Okay, so first we have to find a longest beautiful substring. So this is a beautiful substring which length is 1. This is a beautiful substring which length is 3. And this is beautiful substring which length is 2. So this is the maximum length. So we have to print 3. Okay. Now we have to do first update. So append C at the end of this character, this string. Okay. So now what is our string? A N N N C C C. Now let's find the longest beautiful substring. So this is one, this, and this. The maximum length is 3. This one, either this one or this one. So let's print 3. Okay. Now append this character into this string in second update. Now our string is A N N C C C C. Now let's find the longest beautiful substring. This is this one and this one. So which one is longest? This length is 4. Okay. Now again let's append this character. So now this is the longest. So we print 5. Now let's append D. Now our longest is this only. Okay, so let's print 5. This is our answer. We have to print 3, 3, 4, 5, 5. So here 3, 3, 4, 5, 5. We have to print. Okay, now let's take this example. A N A N Y M O U S and Q is equal to 3 R R R. Okay, so now this length is 1. This is a beautiful substring. This is a beautiful substring. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So without any update, what is our longest beautiful substring is 1. Okay, now let's append the R here. Now one more, but our longest beautiful substring is now only 1. Now let's append this R. Okay, now we have a beautiful substring which length is 2. So this is the longest in this string. So now we have to print 2. Now this are here and now these all three are here. So our longest beautiful substring is 3. So this is the output 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the output, the length of our output array is q plus 1. Okay. Now what we can do in this question? Okay. So let's say we have this A N N N C C. Okay. So what we will do? We take a list. Now we have to take this character. So till now, for this character, till now, what is the longest subsequence for this character? Okay. So the length is 1. Okay. Now till now means till this index. Till this index. What is the longest subsequence for this character which is 1? Okay. Till this character 2. What is the longest beautiful substring for this character which is 2, 1, 2. Okay. So let's make it 2. For this character. What is the longest subsequence till index 3? 3. Okay. Now for this character. What is the longest beautiful substring till this character which is 1 for this character, not in all string, only for this character. Okay, now for this character, what is 2? 1, 2. Okay, so this is our list. What is the longest? What is the highest element in this? Is 3. So first we print 3. Now, what is the value of Q? C, 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 D. Okay, so now we have to append this C here. So our previous character is C also. So for this C, what is the longest subsequence? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3 here. Now, this 3 is greater than 3 or less than 3, which is equal to 3. So we have to print again 3. What is our maxi? is 3. Without any update, our max is 3. Okay, now let's append this C in this. Okay, now for this C, what is the longest substring? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our max C is update 4 and we print 2. Now append this and for this what we have 5. So our 5 and max C is equal to 5. Now let's append this D. So for D, what is the 1? Because it is not equal to this previous character. So we have to print here what is 5. Our max is 5. Okay. Now let's code this question. So first we have to take our inputs. First we define a scanner sc new scanner system dot in. Okay. Now we have to take integer t, which is sc dot next int while t minus minus is greater than 0. This loop is running. All test cases are running. Okay. Now we have to take int n equal to sc dot next int. Now we have to take a q with sc dot next int, and we have to take a character array equal to new char which length is q. Okay. For int I equal to 0, I less than q, I plus plus. What is our ai? Ai equal to sc dot next. We took a string, and what is the first character of this string is our character. Okay. Now first we create our integer array answer. New int which length is q plus 1. Okay. And let's take a integer list which is equal to new array list integer. Okay. Now for the first character of string. Okay. First we have to take a string also from input. Now what is the here? What we will do? What is the first character of list? Longest beautiful subsequent till first index, which is always 1. So let's add 1 in our list, which is our first character. Okay. Now let's take integer k equal to 1, which is the max. Okay. Now for int I equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. So if s dot character I, if this character is equal to its previous character. So what is the length? What is the maximum length for this character is list dot add list dot get I minus 1. Okay. If this character is equal to its previous character I minus 1. Then what is our length for previous character? It is increased by 1. Okay, I hope you understand. And we update our maxi, which is equal to math.maxi or list.get I. Okay, if these are not equals, then we add our list 1. Okay, now we take a integer p which is equal to n for list index. Okay, and what is our last character in string is equal to s dot char at n minus. Okay, now what is our first index first index of answer which is equal to maximum length of longest beautiful substring which is maxi without any update. Now we have to take updates. So let's run loop q times 0 to q. Okay, now if our character equal to previous character, let's take it previous. Okay, if this is equal to previous character, then what we will do? We add add list dot get what is index for list p minus 1 plus 1. Okay, this character is equal to previous character. So the uh, uh, length of beautiful substring for this character is for previous plus 1. Okay, and we update our maxi which is equal to math.max maxi and list.get p. Okay, and what will do? P plus increase our list index. If these are not equal, so what we'll do? We'll add our list in 1 and uh, what we'll do? Our previous character is updated, which is equal to a of I and p plus. Okay, and for this update, what is our answer? Max. So after this, our uh, answer is ready. So let's print this. 4 int I equal to 0, I less than n, I less than q plus 1 because length of answer is q plus 1. So I plus let's print this out dot print answer of I plus space. Okay, and after that change the line. For next test case print ln. Now let's run this code. So our output is same as given. So let's submit now. So our answer is submitted successfully, and here you can see the code, which is a Java code. Thank you for watching.